Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso Classic Duoface Small Seconds, size large, reference Q3848422. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, try it on, and give you my thoughts. Okay, but just to start with a little overview in history, the Reverso is probably JLC's, Jaeger-LeCoultre's, most famous collection, and it's because of this very odd rectangular shape. No other watchmaker really does a rectangular dress watch just like JLC. Although Richard Mille does rectangular shapes, they call it a tonneau shaped, but they're mostly sports watches, and the Reverso is mostly a dress watch, so they don't really compete in the same space. And Jaeger has really dominated this rectangular shape, I think, like no other, even more so than Cartier with their tank and other rectangular watches. Okay, with that said, this Reverso Classic Duoface also actually comes in size medium. So they make the same thing but in size medium for maybe those who have a smaller wrist size. And this is the size large. So I would actually suggest this for those who have, let's say, a 6.5 inch wrist or larger. So we're going to start talking about the case now, which is 47 millimeters from top to bottom. That means going from the 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock, that's 47 millimeters, which actually is not that long. If you consider comparing it to a Rolex Daytona, it's about the same length as a Rolex Daytona or a Datejust. They're all around that 47 millimeter mark area. And so it makes it large, but it's comparable to other watches in the same category. Not extra large, it's just large. Okay, and going left to right, since it's a rectangle, it's only 28 millimeters. So it's long and skinny, which is what a rectangle is. Okay, now looking at the case, we're going to see that the case has a typical Reverso case where it has these angled lugs that go toward the bracelet. And it's a simple case, but it's thin, and you can see these lines on the case. These are decorative, but I really think that it makes the watch, it separates the case and the head, kind of makes it like a bezel almost. Since the watch doesn't really have a true bezel, a bezel is something that you put on top of the glass or the crystal. It doesn't have a true bezel in that sense, but these lines kind of delineate the line between the case and the bezel, and it's also the place where the watch will turn to the other side. So, and any talk about the case wouldn't be complete unless it was talking about both sides. So the reason it's called a Reverso is that it has one side that is a silver face, or you can call it white. They actually call it silver, but to me it looks white. And the case, one side has Arabic numerals 1 through 12 and small seconds. That's why it's also called the small second. Okay, small seconds, and it's Roman numerals. And then on the other side, when you flip it over, that's why it's called a duo face, as in 1 and 2 duo. It has index markers, and it has a black face, so kind of like day and night. And it has it says travel time, and it has a 24-hour indicator here, so you can tell. I think that's also pretty cool. Okay, but actually, what you can do on the other side is you can have a second time zone. So that's pretty cool, because you know, one side can tell time, for example, in USA, and the other could be in Europe, for example, and you can tell which side is which. Or you could just, depending on what your outfit is, you can wear it sometimes in black and sometimes in white. I also think that's pretty cool. And they managed to fit, it's incredible, they actually managed to fit both sides with a thickness of only 10 millimeters. A lot of watch companies cannot even put one dial in 10 millimeters, but they managed to put two. Can you imagine that? Because the dial itself has some weight or height to it. Plus you have two sets of hands, two sets of dials, two sets of numerals, and they still managed to fit all of that in a 10 millimeter case. So that's quite nice. Okay. All right, let's move on here. to the next thing, which is we talked about the hands. Okay, the strap. Now the strap is going to come on this brown strap here, but you can also switch that out. It's not really that big of a deal. It can be switched out to whatever you would like to. They actually don't make this configuration anymore, by the way. So if you want this exact one, you got to go to jazztime.com by clicking on the link in the description below. They do make a newer version of it, so if you like that, it's a little bit more money, but you can do that. Okay, at any rate, let's move on here and look at the movement. Now, as you can imagine, since they fit all this in a 10mm case, this watch is going to be a manual wind. Why? Because it doesn't have a rotor. The rotor takes up space and makes it thicker. So they want to keep it thin. They kept it manual wind, and yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a caliber 854, and for obvious reasons, because you have a dial on either side, you can't see the movement, but they show a picture of the movement on the website, and it's done very well. So I'm going to say that's nice. Okay, and also, by the way, I forgot to mention that on the strap, it's really nice that JLC is using a quick release strap, which I think is nice because you may want to change these straps out, brown, black, whatever it is. And having a quick release without any tools avoids scratching the watch, etc. Okay, all right, time to try this watch on. No, which side should I try, black or white? I don't know. Maybe both. But what are my thoughts? I think that Jaeger is a really nice brand. First of all, they do very nice movements. They're not so well known. They are well known, but not so well known. Not like your Rolex or Omega or Cartier. They're still up there in terms of quality, but they sort of a little bit more niche. You have to really like and know watches to know about them. They're not as mainstream. And the Reverso is just a literally classic watch that not a lot of people know, and you got something that's not on the beaten path. So I'm going to definitely give it a thumbs up there. And I like the price point. I like that you can switch it back and forth between colors, and you kind of change it up. You can get a lot of mileage out of this watch. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up, and especially at the price point. If you want to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.